this is Adi Austin. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have another unboxing for you guys. And this is a very exciting random booster 15 unboxing for you guys. So I actually got a couple of these 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 of these I have right now. So I'll be unboxing these, and if any duplicates that I get, so these are all completely random. I don't know which pays and what. So if I get any of them duplicates, so I will be selling them off. So you can contact me through IBA, or you can let me know on YouTube, and I'll just get back to you if you're interested in buying these. So yeah. So I won't be completely unboxing the day because I would probably be selling them off. So I would just check the stickers, and if I don't have that, I would be unboxing it. So yeah guys, without much further ado, let's get into it. So this is the box from the front. So these are all the combos that you can get. This is obviously the price layer Cosmo Valkyrie, I think Cosmo Valkyrie is the name, and this is the one I'm most excited about, this Storm Pegasus. And then you have the Dragon Ashura, and this is Valkyrie, this is Ashura, I think. So this is Bushin Dragon, and this is Cosmo Ashura. And then you also get Orb Aegis, and this is Vice Leopard, and this is of course Excalibur, and this is Buster Excalibur, and this is obviously Dead Hades. I mean, looks really sick in this green and blue color. It's really nice. So obviously the ones I'm really excited about are these two guys, and of course since this is my favorite layer of all times. So, and the parts that you're getting in all these, you're also getting a quick dash, which I wanted to try out. Looks really insane. So anyways, let's get into unboxing this, guys. This is the back, and this is the owner of Storm Pegasus, obviously, if you're familiar with the Metal Fight saga. So this blader's name is Jinka, of course. Very cool. So yeah, let's get into unboxing this, guys. So I got my unboxing knife ready right here. As always, be very careful when unboxing. Okay. So the first pull that I got is okay, this is Excalibur. Pretty cool. I got so what are the combos that I'm getting with Excalibur? Okay, I got Absorb and Zenith. Pretty cool. Okay, let's check out the second combo. I hope I don't get all Buster Excaliburs. That would really suck. And the second pull is okay, this is 7 friction, and wait a minute, which way has 7 friction? Okay, so this is Valkyrie. This is Valkyrie, this one. Okay. Kind of a bad pull, honestly. See, third pull. Oh my god, yes, I got Storm Pegasus. I was going to say Storm Spriggan. Really nice, guys. I'm so damn, that's really nice. Finally I got Storm Pegasus. Really cool. Okay then, let's see the next pull. Okay, so this is the Prize Bay. Wow, really cool. 11 Eternal. I think that's it. Yep, that's it. The Prize Bay. I got it. Cosmo Valkyrie. Really nice, guys. All the the rarest pulls, one after another. Really cool. So let's see the next pull. And this time we have, okay, this is one dash proof operate, and I think this is yeah, this is a Vice Leopard. Okay, not bad. So all the pulls were different for now. Wow, that's crazy. That's really crazy. And now this is okay. I got another Excalibur, Siege Excalibur. So yeah, one repeat. Zenith Absorb. So this one is going to someone else. I would be selling it. So yeah. So let me unbox all the players that I got and be right back. Welcome back, guys. So I've taken out all the bays that I got and put on all the stickers. So these are all the combos that I got. So let's take a look at them one by one. So I only got one duplicate, that is Buster Excalibur. So yeah, that is a very good thing, I guess. So yeah, the Bushin Dragon, yeah, looks really nice. Unfortunately, the parts are it didn't come with anything new, as I already have all these, so it's kind of a bad pull for me. So yeah, but I really love the color. The red and the blue and the purple looks really nice. And then the white Buster Excalibur, white and golden with red, and white and red Zenith, and with black Absorb. It's really cool. And then again, I didn't get anything new from this, so this is again not a good pull for me. So anyways, but the color looks really nice, very cool. And then the black colored Vice Leopard, it looks absolutely insane. It's white and black version. And then we also get a black proof frame with this, which is again a really good frame to have. If you guys couldn't get it in the Long Blader set, then you can definitely get this one through this. So yeah, pretty nice. So yeah, and Operate it's not a good driver, but yeah. So overall, this is, I guess, good because I got a new proof frame with this, so it's pretty nice. I'm happy with it. And now the most like I would say the prize layer, prize bay for this set, and the booster is Cosmo Valkyrie 11 Eternal. Pretty nice. The color scheme looks very nice with all the orange and the golden and the yellow. Looks really cool. So yeah, pretty nice. I really love the color that they've put on all the the stickers that you put on the weight. It's really nice. So overall the shape feels kind of weird because it looks like it will be a stamina type, but it and the teeth, they look, obviously they're Valkyrie teeth, so they are strong, but yeah. But overall I don't know how it's gonna perform, because all these if these points make contact with the bay, it's surely gonna get destabilized. So I'm not sure how good this layer will be for stamina. I guess I'll do some more testing and then I'll let you guys know. So yeah. So overall, I'm certainly not impressed with any of the bays in the GT system for some reason. I don't know, they just don't feel like very good in performance. So yeah. So I guess we'll find out as we do some more testing. So yeah. So that's it. The prize bay, Cosmo Valkyrie 11 Eternal. And the most the best pull out of this is obviously Storm Pegasus. Really nice. It feels kind of heavy, but all these parts are definitely not metal, but it does have some kind of metal inside the layer, as you can see right over there. But the contact points are definitely not metal, they're completely plastic. So overall I think this will be a good layer for any of the burst tournaments involving God Layer series, because it kind of looks like a God Layer series equivalent. It's really nice, and the clay frame that you get with this, it's actually gray in color. It looks really sick. It's really nice. The teeth is also really cool, really good. And you get a 10 disc with this, which is again a very heavy and nice disc to have. And then the driver is Quick Dash. Now this is a brand new driver. Kind of looks like a rubber flat from Metal Fight series, but it also resembles Extreme a lot, but I guess the rubber feels kind of different from Extreme Dash. It looks like it feels like a little bit like Hunter, except the tip is slightly wider. And so new attack type driver, Quick Dash, pretty cool. So yeah, really enjoying this, loving the color scheme and the parts that you get with this Beyblade. So anyways guys, that's it for today's unboxing. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And as always guys, stay awesome, have a great day.